Good morning everyone. Myself Tantra Banu from class 9B. My topic is traffic light control. Traffic lights were first invented in 1868 by where traffic lights were placed at intersections of Georgia and Wayne State. Later, traffic lights were developed in year 1914 by an American traffic light company. They placed a red and yellow lights at the corner of 105th Street. During this period, traffic lights were controlled by switching manual. Traffic lights are also known as spotlight, stop and go light, road traffic lamps, etc. The traffic light controls in microcontroller. The main object of traffic light is to provide specific control to confirm that the traffic moves smoothly and safely as possible. These make use of LEDs for indication purpose and microcontrol for auto changing of signals. LEDs are automatically get on and off by making corresponding ports and microcontroller high. Working of a traffic light controller. 7-segment display is used as counter display. 3 LEDs are used for traffic lights. 8051 microcontroller is the brain of this whole project. Interface with the power at a power supply. KEL software is the programming of this project. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sarajwan. My topic is RAM and ROM. RAM and ROM is a form of computer memory that can be read and changed in order. Technically is used to store working data, memories, code. ROM is a non-volatile memory. It is a computer OS. It is a part of primary memory while it is.
My name is Shaksham Nakari. I am presenting my computer project based on digital documentary. Digital documentary is not just allowed to make simple document, but it is also allowed to create your font size, create new paragraph, to insert photos and etc. There are many software that provide digital documentary like Microsoft, LibreOffice, Notepad and etc.
Everyone, my name is Ishak Patel. My topic is types of printer. Printer are output device to prepare a permanent output device on paper. Impact printer. In this, hammer or pin strike against the ribbon and the paper print on the text. Character printer. It's print only one character at a time. Dot matrix printer. It print character as combination of dots. The dot matrix printer are most popular printer on serial printer. Laser printer. Laser printer type of printer that utilize the laser beam on the image of the print.
Good morning everyone, my name is Priya Ninav on behalf of class 9A. Today what I want to share with you is my presentation on the topic cybercrime. What is cybercrime? Cybercrime can be used to define as the illegal usage of any communication device in the purpose of the harm. Cybercrime can be done by computers or a group of computers that target the computer by harm. Cybercrime is a type of crime that targets a computer or a group of computers in the purpose of the harm. Who are the cyber criminals? Cyber criminals are the person who uses his skills in technology to do illegal activities in the purpose of the harm. Now I would like to describe the black hat hackers and white hat hackers. Black hat hackers is the hackers that used to hack the computer or a group of computers for the purpose of the government, and black hat hackers are the hackers that used to hack the computer for the earning profit or blackmailing purposes. Some example of cyber criminals are black hat hackers, cyber stalkers, cyber terrorists, etc. How does cyber crimes happen? Cyber criminals take the advantage of weak authentication and not enough security measures and policies found in our system, and security holes or security bugs. Why our cyber crimes are increasing in today's world? today's world, the world is improving the technologies and developing new technologies that lead to the threat for cyber crimes. The three main reasons why our cyber crimes are increasing is vulnerable devices. These are the devices that have weak authentication and passwords that lead to the cybercrime. Second, financial motivation. It is the most common motivation for cybercrimes. It is used to hack the computer or a group of computer for the purpose of earning profit from it. And some example of cybercrimes are phishing and scam, using computer for purposes of harm, and identity theft like spam, internet fraud and banking fraud, etc. At last I will tell you how to prevent from this. Be sure that you are using up-to-date system software like antivirus and firewalls. Educate your children about using appropriate systems, and check your children's verification and etc. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Ranjit Ranjit, on the behalf of class 11B. Today my topic is IT. IT stands for Information Technology. What is information technology? Information technology is the use of any computer storage, networking, and other physical device infrastructure and process to create, manage, and exchange all form of electronic data. IT is used in business operation as opposed to technology used for personal entertainment purpose. The commercial use of IT in both computer technology and telecommunication. While information technology is important, it has been said that data is what our industry workers that may be available but few business operation, large or small, can remain competitive without the ability to collect data and turn it into useful information. This provide means develop, analyze, secure and store information. Example of IT are user support, business improvement, new software, etc. IT service. IT service are service used by organization to create, manage and deliver information. Service include consulting, software development, system integration, as well as hardware deployment and education. The broader market of IT service as seller segment, managed service, data management, security service, etc.
A great good morning to everyone. Myself Monica from behalf of class 9B. Today I am here to tell you about my topic social intelligence. First, what is social intelligence? Social intelligence is a person's ability to understand to manage interpersonal relationships. Second, who gave the concept of social intelligence? The theory of social intelligence was first given by an American psychologist, Edward Thorndike, in 1922. Third, ways to increase social intelligence. First, approach interpersonal interactions. Second, read invisible interactions in social life. Third, ways to learn the people's non-verbal behavior. Fourth, keep a track that how are you feeling. Fourth, how we can develop social intelligence among students. First, promote group work. Second, improve their communication skills. Third, involve the students in social work activities. Fourth, train them to become a good speaker as well as good listener. Fifth, and my last topic, that is importance of social intelligence. Lead a happy life, become a good leader, become an efficient manager, and Thank you so much.
My topic is robotics. The robotics was first used in play games named is RUS, Robinson Universal Robot. In his writer Carol Capek, the robot means the mechanical machine which perform human tasks either automatically or remote control. Robotics means the study or application of robot. The robot firstly sense, think and act. There are many types of robots and some are used in industry known as industrial robots. These are used for welding, inspection and increased productivity. And educational robot. Educational robots are used for visualizing concepts and topics. And domestic robots. Domestic robots are used in outdoor works like cooking, washing, cleaning, and others. There are many components of robots like sensor, processor, controller, and collector. Sensor like heat sensor, touch sensor, and actuators. Actuators are two types: locomotive and manipulation. Locomotives are like wheels and legs, and manipulations is gripper and hand. How robot works? Robot works from a microprocessor in which all the data is stored of robots, and it allows a robot to stop and many other activities.
They can reduce these spam mails, but they can't make it go disappear completely. So they use spam filter to reduce it. Now there are many types of spam filters out there. We are only going to discuss about 4 of them. I'm going to give you a little bit of information. In email, there's only 4 of them that are required. Spam filters are. Now, first is blocklist filter. Blocklist filter. Blocklist filters blocks a mail from sender that have been added to compressive sender list, compressive spammer list, and now there's a race going on between spammers and email providers. Spammers try to send much mail possible before they get blocked by blocklist filter, and providers try their best so they can block them before they can mail. Next is content filter. Content filter is a spam filter puts a spam into spam folder by using some keywords like money, price, payment. This is known as content filter. Now header filter. Now in every mail there is a header, and that header contains information. From that information, header filter decide whether to put spam into spam folder or not. And also, if a mail is sent into large places. I'm Hansika from class 9B, and my presentation topic is spam filter. Before jumping into this topic, we need to learn about AI, because spam filters are part of it. What is AI? AI full form is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is basically ability of computer or a robot which is controlled by computer to do tasks that are usually done by human beings because it's required human intelligence. Now let's get back. Spam filters. Now there are many types of spam filters out there, and spams are here since email was started.
Myself, Amit Chaudhary, on behalf of class 9B. My topic is LCD and LED. Introduction. LCD. Liquid crystal display. LCD is a flat panel display or other electronically modulated optical device that uses the light modulating properties of liquid crystal combined with photolayers. LED. A light emitting diode LED is a semiconductor device that emits infrared or visible light when charged with an electric current or when voltage is applied. Functioning of LCD. Liquid crystal display. Liquid crystal display is a pause of LCD. A liquid crystal display is a thin layer of cells consisting of LCD. A liquid crystal display is a thin layer of cells of liquid crystal sandwiched between 2 glass sheets with transparent electrodes deposited on their inside faces. With 2 glass sheets transparent, the cell is known as transmittive type cell. When one glass is transparent and the other has a reflective coating, the cell is called reflective type cell. The LCD does not produce any illumination on its own. In fact, it depends entirely on other external source for effect. Functioning of LED. LED is a two-lead semiconductor device light source. It is a PN junction diode that emits light when activated. When a suitable voltage applied to the leads, electrons are able to recombine with electron holes to form energy in the form of photons. This effect is called electroluminescence, and the color of the light corresponding to the energy of the photons is determined by the
Good morning everyone. My name is Kashi Fanju, class 9. Today my topic is types of cable. There are three types of cable. First, two-state pair cable. A two-state pair cable is a type of cable where wires are twisted with each other. It is shielded with a metal sheet all around it completely. It reaches up to hundreds of megabytes per second. Its advantages are it is cost effective. Second, it is easy to connect. Second cable is a coaxial cable. A coaxial cable is a type of copper cable shielded with metal sheet all around it completely. It is primarily used by cable TV companies to connect their satellite antenna to facilitate their customers, etc. First, advantages. First, it is cost effective. Second, it is easy to connect. Disadvantages are it is bulky. Second, loss of data. Chances of loss of data is there. Third, optical fiber cable. Optical fiber cable is a type of cable where fibers and it is twisted pair cable. This is outer jacket, this is shelled, and these are the two wires twisted with each other. This is coaxial cable. This is its jacket, bonded aluminum tape, aluminum rod tape, dielectric, and center conductor. This is optical fiber cable. It is its outer jacket. It is strand member and it is coating and it is cold. Thank you.
Hi Sharon, on behalf of class 289B. Today I am here to presenting information about spreadsheet. And spreadsheet is defined as a large collection of data and information arranged in rows and columns. Some are proprietary Microsoft Excel and Lotus 123 etc. And electronic spreadsheet is also known as worksheet. To start a spreadsheet, click on the button on the taskbar, click on pop-up window, click on spreadsheet option, rows, columns and cells. In a spreadsheet, there are 255 rows, but by default it only shows 3 in a single page, and there are 65,536 columns available on the spreadsheet. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ariba Asad. On behalf of class 9B, I had researched on technology without life. Technology without life, or it's mean life without technology. Introduction of technology without life is life would become more and more harder. Disease would not be covered. Communication can stop, and we don't know about the upcoming climate. The word technology is created from two logical words that means technique and logia. Technique means science and study, and logia means art and skill. The simplest meaning of technology is science of study of and art and skill. Disadvantage of technology is jobless, human value has not been incurred, and the communications effect. Advantage is essential for time, and wastage of time had been stopped by technology. It has been in a more effective manner on the people's life that it has been take less time to use whatever you want to do, and you can
can use technology on the websites, cell phones, computer, laptop, lab, and etc. It means the simplest meaning of technology for faster users, and it means an important role in the people's life. And it did not waste time of the people. It take very small time of people for the main work, like their information and business regarding informations that it can be find on Google easily. Thank you.
From class 9, I am presenting a website. A website is a web page which is used to get information on internet. It is also a great kind of business place where businesses exist. There are a lot of kind of website like e-commerce website, information based website. Example of e-commerce website is Flipkart, Amazon, etc. And example of information website are Wikipedia. There are a lot of language which are used to make a website, but I have used HTML to make the website. There are many basic attributes and tags which I have used like body tag, head tag, paragraph, break the row, horizontal, etc.
Cybersecurity helps us, our bank accounts and etc. of cybers to protect us. Project assigned on the cybersecurity. I have tried to give all the important informations in this project. There are some main topic and it also has some subtopics. First, meaning of the word cyber. The word cyber denotes a relationship with information and technology. It helps to secure our data. Needs of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity helps data of computing access our network to help to secure us. Cybersecurity consists of an technology of a network organization or etc. which helps us our data to secure from critical cyber attacks.